Look at the window, Jenny.
Wow, it is raining very hard, Mike.
The sky is so dark and gray.
It looks like night, but it is only 2 o'clock.
I am very glad we are inside the house.
Me too, Mike. I do not want to be outside right now.
Did you bring your umbrella today?
Yes, I have my umbrella in my bag.
That is good. You always prepare well.
I checked the weather forecast this morning.
What did the forecast say?
It said there is a 100% chance of rain.
Well, the forecast was definitely correct.
Look at the trees, Mike. The wind is very strong.
Yes, the branches are moving a lot.
I hope the electricity stays on.
I hope so too. Do we have candles?
Yes, I bought some candles last week.
Where did you put them?
They are in the kitchen drawer next to the matches.
Good to know. I feel safer now.
Mike, do you like rainy days?
Sometimes I like them. They are relaxing.
I agree. The sound of the rain is very peaceful.
It is a perfect day to stay at home and rest.
But I do not like it when my shoes get wet.
Oh, that is the worst feeling.
Wet socks are very uncomfortable.
I remember I walked in a puddle yesterday.
Did you ruin your shoes?
No, but my feet were cold all day.
You should wear your boots next time.
You are right, Jenny. I will wear them tomorrow.
Speaking of cold, are you cold right now?
A little bit. The temperature dropped quickly.
Should I turn up the heater?
Yes, please. That would be nice.
Okay, I adjusted the thermostat.
Thank you, Jenny. It should get warm soon.
How about a hot drink?
That sounds delicious. What do we have?
We have coffee, tea, and hot chocolate.
I think I want some hot chocolate.
With marshmallows?
Of course. Marshmallows are the best part.
What about you, Mike? Will you make it?
Yes, I will go to the kitchen now.
I will have a cup of tea, please.
Do you want sugar in your tea?
Just 1 spoon of sugar, please.
Okay, I will be right back.
Thank you, Nike. You are very kind.
Here is your tea, Jenny.
It smells wonderful. What kind is it?
It is Earl Grey tea.
That is my favorite flavor.
And here is my hot chocolate.
It looks very creamy.
Let's sit on the sofa and look outside.
Okay, the rain is even heavier now.
Look at the people running to the bus stop.
They are trying to stay dry.
That man does not have an umbrella.
Oh no, he's using a newspaper.
That will not help him very much.
I feel sorry for him.
Maybe he forgot to check the app on his phone.
Technology is very useful for weather.
Do you think it will rain all day?
Let me check my phone again.
What does it say?
It says the rain will stop at 6 o'clock.
That is 4 hours from now.
What shall we do for 4 hours?
We cannot go to the park.
And we cannot wash the car.
We could watch a movie.
That is a great idea. What kind of movie?
I like action movies.
I prefer comedies. I want to laugh.
Okay, we can find a funny action movie.
That sounds like a good compromise.
Do you want to watch it on the TV or the laptop?
The TV is bigger. Let's use that.
Where is the remote control?
It is on the table under the magazine.
Found it. Turning it on now.
While the movie loads, let's plan dinner.
Good thinking. I'm getting hungry.
We should cook with what we have.
Let's check the refrigerator later.
I think we have ingredients for soup.
Soup is perfect for a rainy day.
We have carrots, potatoes, and onions.
Do we have any chicken?
No, but we have some vegetable broth.
Vegetable soup sounds healthy.
We can eat it with some bread.
Do we have fresh bread?
No, but we have toast.
Toast and soup is a classic meal.
My grandmother used to make that for me.
My mother made tomato soup when it rained.
Food brings back good memories.
It really does.
Mike, look, lightning.
Whoa, that was bright.
Wait for the thunder.
There it is. That was loud.
The storm is right above us.
Are you scared of storms, Jenny?
A little bit. Are you?
No, I find them fascinating.
You are very brave.
It is just nature. It cannot hurt us inside.
That is true. We are safe here.
Do you have a book to read?
I started a new book yesterday.
What is it about?
It is a mystery novel about a detective.
Is it interesting?
Yes, I cannot stop reading it.
Maybe after the movie we can read.
We can have a quiet reading time.
That sounds very peaceful.
Do you hear that sound?
Which sound?
The sound on the roof.
It sounds like hail.
Is it ice?
Let me look closer at the window.
Be careful, Mike.
Yes, small pieces of ice are falling.
That is crazy weather.
It is a real summer storm.
I am happy my car is in the garage.
Yes, hail can damage cars.
You are lucky you took the bus today.
I usually drive, but I wanted to walk.
Well, you didn't walk much in this rain.
No, I ran from the bus stop to your door.
You looked very funny when you arrived.
I was completely wet.
Your hair was dripping water on the floor.
I am sorry about the mess, Jenny.
Do not worry, it is just water.
It dries quickly.
Mike, the movie is ready to start.
Okay, let me dim the lights.
It feels like a cinema now.
Do we have any popcorn?
I think we have a bag in the pantry.
Can I make it?
Yes, use the microwave.
I will be quick. Pause the movie.
I am pausing it. Hurry back.
From the kitchen. It smells good.
Don't burn it.
It is perfect. I'm coming back.
Be careful with the hot bowl.
Here we go. Popcorn and rain.
This is a lovely afternoon.
I'm glad you invited me over, Jenny.
I am glad you came, Mike.
Being alone in a storm is boring.
It is much better with a friend.
Look, the cat is sleeping.
She loves this weather.
The cats sleep all day anyway.
That is true. They are experts at relaxing.
I wish I could sleep like that.
You can take a nap if you want.
No, I want to watch this movie.
Okay, press play.
Here we go.
Who is that actor? I know him.
That's the guy from the superhero movie.
Oh, yes, I like him.
He is very funny.
This is going to be a good movie.
I hope the power stays on.
Don't jinx it, Mike.
Sorry, I will not say anything.
The rain is getting softer now.
Yes, the heavy part is over.
It's just a light shower now.
Maybe we can go for a walk later.
When the rain stops completely?
Yes, the air smells fresh after rain.
I love that smell.
It's called petrogor.
That is a difficult word.
I learned it in science class.
You know many interesting facts.
I try to learn something new every day.
That is a good habit.
Look, the sun is trying to come out.
I see a little bit of blue sky.
The clouds are moving away.
Maybe we will see a rainbow.
Oh, I hope so. I love rainbows.
Look over there, near the hill.
Is that a rainbow?
Yes, it's very faint, but it's there.
I see the colors now, red and yellow.
It is beautiful.
Nature is amazing.
First a storm, then a rainbow.
It's like life.
That is very deep, Mike.
Sorry, I'm feeling philosophical.
It's okay. I like it.
Should we pause the movie to watch the rainbow?
Yes, it will disappear quickly.
Let's go to the balcony.
Is it still raining there?
Just a little drizzle.
Okay, let's go out for a minute.
The air is cool.
It feels very refreshing. Look how green the grass is.
The plants needed this water.
My garden was very dry yesterday.
Now your flowers will grow.
I need to plant more flowers.
What kind do you want?
I like roses and tulips.
Tulips are very colorful.
Maybe you can help me plant them.
I would love to help you.
We can do it next weekend.
If it does not rain.
True, we need a sunny day.
The rainbow is fading now.
It was short but nice.
Let's go back inside. I'm cold.
Okay, back to the warm living room.
The popcorn is still warm.
This is a perfect Saturday.
Thanks for spending it with me, Jennie.
Anytime, Mike.